Okay, what is that XR?
Surprise egg.
Okay. Oh, you already opened some.
Yeah.
Wow, what are those?
Don't worry.
There were trucks
Don't worry.
from this Disney Planes Fire and Rescue.
Yeah. So when
now you're opening what?
this?
Opening the Frozen collection.
Yeah.
Oh, you opened already one. Who's this?
This Elsa, this truck and they.
Trucks and Elsa. Okay.
Hey, Elsa, do you bake round egg?
Wow, you give them names?
Yeah. I
Okay.
love the name.
So you still have 3 more eggs.
Yeah. I'm gonna open Elsa first.
Okay, let's see what's inside.
There's
Shake,
no
shake.
here.
Hmm?
There's nothing.
What?
There's nothing.
There's nothing?
There's no. It is no
Don't open
nothing.
because there's nothing.
I'm gonna open them. Yeah.
You really like opening, right? Are you going to eat the chocolate?
No, wait for the egg chocolate.
I guess just like the toys.
It's not. It's here because someone.
What? I don't open like that. Oh, what's that? Oh,
It's
it's...
Mama.
Let me see, what's that? Show us.
There.
Oh, it's a pendant. It's on a pendant. Can you
Yeah,
see?
it is.
Can I see? Oh, it's Anna. Okay, do you want to open?
Yeah.
Okay, open now.
Pangalawa.
Papa is your audience.
I want to open also this
No.
one.
Mama, no. Pang.
Oh, is it nice?
Yeah.
Just let me try open.
Can I see? Oh, it's
this?
soft.
Oh.
It's a pendant.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so you have
And a strap.
Elsa
Yeah.
and
Anna.
Anna pendant. Okay, the third one.
It's
I took this one.
I wanna Anna because I love
Where's the
Anna
paper?
paper.
Here. So on the Frozen, there's here. Oops. Where's the focus? Yes.
Hey, you video me.
Oh, okay, sorry.
You
There's
video
1,
me.
2, 3, 4, 5,
Grandma
6,
didn't
7,
video
8,
you.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There's 14 pieces to
Oh
collect.
yeah, it's Olaf.
Oh, what's that?
Olaf.
Oh, it's Olaf. Is it a pendant also?
Yeah.
Can I see?
There.
It's also a pendant. Okay, good.
It's Olaf. I love Olaf and Alma.
Oh, why do you love Olaf?
The next one you love also.
Is it your favorite? Really?
Uh-huh.
let me guess. The next one
Look.
you will love it also.
Look, you can
Can I
hold.
see? I can hold. Okay, thank you.
And
Oh, it's an Olaf. An
And
Olaf
pearl.
pendant.
And the crystal.
So you have Olaf, Anna, and Elsa. Okay, one more.
We have Elsa, Anna, Olaf. I love Elsa and Anna and Olaf.
I don't think so.
Who give you this eggs? Surprise eggs? Tita,
Tita,
Amy, and
Amy,
Tita Patty.
Tita Pati.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
I like it so much.
I like you so much.
Okay, open now.
I open now.
XR, I is here. Smile. Okay.
Get a picture.
Yeah, I can take video and I can also picture at the same time.
This is Zania. Hunter.
Crack the egg, crack the egg. Hey, just crack it. Give me. You cannot crack it.
I can't okay.
Why you opening it like that?
It's Elsa the Frozen. It's
Elsa
not blue.
again?
It's not blue. Look.
No, it's not Elsa.
It's Elsa.
It's Anna.
Oh yeah, it's Elsa now.
It's Anna.
Now it's Elsa.
Ah, it's Elsa, right? Yeah, Mama don't know.
Yeah.
Sorry, Mama, it's wrong.
Now
It's
the
Elsa.
first.
It's now
Sophia.
Princess, the Queen Elsa. This one is Princess Elsa. No, it's...
Not this.
Ah, you want to Sophia. Okay, wait. Wait, first, let's put it down.
Okay. I think. Where's the scissors?
Smile. Okay, wait.
Just picture.
Okay, smile. Okay, go open. Oh, how many eggs are there?
1, 2, 3.
Three.
It's 3.
Okay, go open it.
Mang ikay hatag sa toy ha. Sophia
So
the
now we have, you open another from still with Ziny egg. Ziny price egg. So this is Sophia the first.
Yeah.
Sophia the first. Milk chocolate eggs with 3D collection inside. So that's how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 of it to be collected.
Yep.
Oh, then you're opening it like that again.
Oh.
What is that?
It's
Who is
a
that?
little kid.
What's that? Who is that? Oh, it's a... Is it a chipmunks?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a chipmunks. I guess
And
this
another one
is
open them.
Sophia's friend, but I don't know what is his name.
Yeah,
But I
Sophia
saw
the
this one
friend.
in
Cause
Sophia's
she's,
friend.
I love you, Sophia.
Okay,
I
Got a
love
lot-
she.
you got a lot of
She's so
chocolate
cute.
there. You really like opening it.
Yeah.
Oh, another.
Damn.
Oh, it's just the same.
Mm.
Another chipmunk. Okay.
How?
Let's try. Maybe we can open another one.
Look at this.
What happened? Everything fall down.
Yeah.
Okay, open the last one.
Papa did something.
Ikaw na na.
Huh?
Ikaw na ko.
Wait first. Let her continue opening first. Is it still the same? Oh.
No.
Who is that? It's Prince
James.
James. From what?
I don't know.
Oh. From Sophia.
Yeah.
Sophia the first. Oh, it's
last one.
Prince James.
Prince James. The other one.
It doesn't turn up.
Other
Oh,
one.
you have a lot now.
Then you eat all, okay?
1,
1, 2, 3. Just
3.
like
So this one now is from the Hello Kitty collection. Hello Kitty.
Is that the same way?
Yeah.
Huwag na labin.
The other one, this one is 4 pieces.
4
4
pieces.
pieces, and
six
this one is
pieces.
3 only.
Yeah.
So there's a lot. Also, hi, Papa. There's a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, you still have lucky.
Yeah.
So many.
Oh,
Oh my god, what shall we do with the chocolate? Can we make it a hot chocolate? Can we do it? Or we make, tomorrow you make a champorado. Then you use the chocolates.
his
That will be
name
very
Hello
nice
Kitty
for
bar.
her breakfast. Oh, what is that?
Oh,
Hello.
is
Wow,
that
this
Kitty?
one is cute. This one is
Sweet.
nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's Hello Kitty wearing a pink.
Little.
Is it a winter coat?
No.
I guess it's a winter
She
coat. This one is
made
nice,
a
right?
birthday cake.
Hello Kitty is wearing a winter coat.
This one.
The Hello Kitty is nice, right?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you have to collect 12
Is
pieces.
that the same?
Oh, this is also cute.
I love that because she's so cute.
Yes.
Hello Kitty wearing sunglasses with a green and a red dress. Oh, so
I
cute.
would like to read.
This is cute.
His
I
name.
like the Hello Kitty
His
box.
name Hello Kitty brand.
I like the Hello Kitty box.
Yeah.
Papa, this will be very nice for a champorado tomorrow.
I love opening the egg.
Only opening the eggs but not eating it, is it? So what do you mean? Oh,
No. His baby.
it's also Hello Kitty.
That's
His
all.
name Baby Turtle.
Hello
That's all.
Kitty sitting down. See, with a blue shirt
Yes.
You have 3, so
and a red
you have to
bow.
collect 9 more. Look.
So how many Hello Kitty locking, Papa?
1, 2,
9.
3.
How many to collect? There's 12, so we need to buy more.
1, 2,
3 boxes of those. Is it?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
I like
10.
the Hello Kitty. I want to complete the Hello Kitty.
Can I all of them the Hello
So we
Kitty?
have 3 Hello Kitties. We
1,
have
2, 3.
Prince James. We have an Anna pendant, an Olaf pendant, and these 2 chipmunks. Then we have, what's this? Queen Elsa,
And Princess Elsa.
Elsa. Then the 4 trucks from Disney airplanes. So did you like it?
Yeah, I love them.
What?
I love them. I
You love
toy.
them. Okay, you say thank you.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye.